No matter what you drive, there's only one guarantee. It's gonna break down.
Your next breakdown could be anytime, anywhere, whether you've got the money to fix it or not.
I was driving and the car cut off.
The last thing I remember is just the engine cut out.
You could feel the car slowing down and I was like, what is happening?
I knew pretty quickly that I had a pretty severe issue on my hands.
If your car's out of warranty, a transmission can easily cost you $4,000.
And an engine? Over $7,000, if you're lucky.
A V8 engine is not cheap.
We don't have $10,000 up front to pay for a brand new transmission, you know.
It was like almost a $6,000 job.
But if you've got endurance, you could never pay out of pocket for a car repair again.
And your rate stays the same no matter how many claims you file.
I've had 5 claims over $12,000. Rate has never increased.
I've had 2 claims for over $4,600. My rate hasn't changed at all.
I've saved over $5,500. I expected my rate to change and it never did.
Driving without coverage can cost you thousands.
Don't wait until after your next breakdown to call Endurance. Get covered today and make Endurance pay for it.
Call right now to get $300 off any plan, plus a full year of our top-tier elite benefits, a $2,000 value free. And all Endurance plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee.
But you have to act now. Call 1-855-712-0089 for a free quote.